Welcome to Valga County Vocational Training Center. We will meet you soon, but right now we will start with distance learning. With this letter, you got your personal account, what looks like your name, point, your surname at Vkok.ee. So at the same example, all others emails look like this. For example, john.bunin@vkok.ee. All other students have the same personal account, and by the same example is done teacher's account. So it's very comfortable to use. Please pay attention that this account you will use for emails, for have access to your marks, and when you will come to Estonia for using Wi-Fi in our home. For writing letters, get answers and send your homework, please use school email, not your personal. So there will not be misunderstandings and problems, only school email. For using this, go to Google or Gmail and use this personal account, look like name.surname@vkok.ee. At the end of this page, you can use your country language. Push next and go inside your mailbox. While you will be studying in our vocational center, you will be using all Gmail suites opportunities for free, but only while you are a student of our school. To see marks and tasks and to see your progress, we use special system called in Estonia tahvel. It's look like desk, like green desk or desk where the teacher is writing. So in our web page, vkok.ee, push tahvel. And when you will come to Estonia, you will be able to using your personal identification code of Estonia, but right now you don't have it. So just scroll to the end for kasutaja, what means user. So push kasutaja or user. Choose here Valgama Kutsepekeskus, because here can be another school too. So Valgama Kutsepekeskus or Valga County Vocational Training Center. And here you put your user, but pay attention without the end, without @vkok.ee. So only your name and surname and the same password again. And now you are in. Now you can able to see your marks, your progress, and the teacher's task. So you can always write to us. Don't hesitate to write us if you have any question, if you have problems. And see you soon in Estonia.